Today, we will listen to a short English composition called My Favorite Season, Spring. My favorite season is spring. I like this season so much because nature becomes alive again after the cold winter. During spring, the weather becomes warmer and the days grow longer. The sun shines more often and the air feels fresh and pleasant. Trees begin to grow new leaves and many flowers start to bloom. Parks and gardens become colorful and beautiful. Many animals and birds become more active in spring. Birds sing in the trees and people spend more time outdoors. Children enjoy playing outside, riding bicycles, and walking in parks. Families often go for walks and enjoy the beautiful weather. In my opinion, spring is a wonderful season because it brings new life, color, and happiness.
Thank you.